In this video I'm gonna show you how I made this logo in Illustrator. I made a canvas of 1080 by 1080 pixels. I placed the image of a sketch on the canvas and I lowered the opacity to 20% and I go to Object and Lock Selection so that I can move the image anymore. Then I start with designing the logo. I used most of the time the pen tool, the Curvator tool and the width tool. So I place some anchor points on different shapes. I keep in mind that I need to make a curved line between the anchor points, if that makes sense. And then I grab the Curvator tool and I make curved lines. I do this with the whole logo process and I make from some shapes a colored shape instead of a line shape. If all the lines are done from the logo, I grab the width tool and I make some variations in the line to make it more interesting to look at it. If you watched the video until here, write a comment with the word "bet", so I know that you are still watching and so I can improve my next videos. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up, and then I hope I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.